Hey guys, good morning and welcome to Crypto India. I'm your host Shiv. This is a channel we talk about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, altcoin, ICOs, news developments, sentiments, blockchain, everything. So thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new to this channel, go ahead and click on subscribe so that you do not miss out on any of these updates. So today's hot topic is the cryptocurrencies prices crashing down. So when you look at the market today, almost everything is down, right from Bitcoin to Ethereum. Bitcoin is dropped down from 4,800 900 US dollar to 4,673, a drop by 2.5%, even more in fact. Ethereum is dropped back to 356. In fact, it dropped to $320 yesterday, and then I think there's a pullback from there. Bitcoin Cash is at 593, a drop of 3.35%. Litecoin is at the $80, the one that we were talking about. It was going rapidly high, consistently up, and it is dropping today by 3%. And you have Dash going down by 3.45%, 366. You have Neo has picked up. It's about $31. So almost everything in red today, right? And I think this is a very healthy correction. A lot of people will actually panic in this condition, that all of a sudden why everything is down, but I see it as a very normal thing in cryptocurrencies. Because this is a very healthy correction, if you look at, because for the last 1 month everything is gone up, everything has been going consistently up. And when you talk about the market, there has to be some kind of volatility, and that is why it is. I mean, I would say rather that this is basically a very healthy correction which is required. And I'm sure once it stabilizes, it is going to be shooting a little bit higher from the last price. For example, if Bitcoin starts shooting up high this time, it would cross even 5k. I mean, if you have been in the space for some time, you would know how the cryptocurrency market behaves. But obviously, if you're new to this market and if you have some kind of investment, then this would be maybe a panic situation for you, considering you haven't studied the cryptocurrencies for some time. Like obviously, for some time, who's coming out from the stock market and getting into the cryptocurrency market and looking at this dip would be very scary for him. I mean, this is like bad, but for the cryptocurrency market, it is pretty normal. Uh, so that is something that I want to talk to you guys about. And also, guys, not just from the price point of view. I believe that we should always look at the cryptocurrencies and blockchain industry as a kind of a technology which is changing the world around, which is going to change the way we do business, and it is going to change the way the financial system has worked. So it's a very interesting technology. I would rather look at from the technology point of view, or rather than just looking from the investment point of view. Okay, let's make some money, put some money, and buy, sell. Well, that comes, but then more interesting than the investment part is the technology part. That is what I find. Uh, and there are advantages to it. People who actually believed in Bitcoin when it started, they knew the technology, the strength of the technology. They never sold their Bitcoin, and today, obviously, they are worth 4,600 or 700, whatever. But and there have been so many crashes earlier. Even Bitcoin has gone down from at one point from $1,100 to almost 250 US dollar. So you see, there have been crashes, but the point I'm trying to make is, no matter which currency, which coin you are putting your money in, just in case you're putting money in, first you need to understand what is the technology behind it. Is it a sustainable technology? It is for the long term, because what you are investing into is a technology. For example, Ethereum has grown, is dropped so many times, but still, if you look at this year's chart growth, it is from 40 US dollar to today about 356 US dollar. So these are not short term game. This is not like a week's game or daily game or monthly game. These are a long term technology, which are the future. These are the future technologies which we are putting our money in. So more than investment point of view, try and understand the technology behind it, because that is more interesting. Once you know the technology, and then you will have more confidence. Once you understand how the things work, you understand, when we understand how this coin works, what this coin will bring on the table in future, what Ethereum will bring in future, what Bitcoin will bring in future, what Neo will bring in future, these dips will never ever matter to you, because you are more concerned, you are more excited, you are more interested in the technology rather than just the investment part of it, right? So yeah, so my point is this, that more, in put a lot of time into learning things, put a lot of time into learning the blockchain, put a lot of time into learning the cryptocurrencies, put a lot of time in learning ICOs, rather than just studying the investment price and rise, which is okay, which is normal. I mean, which you do that in the normal stock market as well. But when it comes to cryptocurrency, the technology matters, not just the price. So that is something that I want to talk to you guys about. I'm sure there have been a lot of panic situation. There have been a lot of people saying that should I sell, should I buy? So you have to understand that this is a volatile market, and these kind of price drops will keep happening. So yeah, so that is something that I wanted to talk to you guys about. Apart from that, I spoke to you guys about yesterday about the BTCE exchange, which was hacked, which was basically seized by US government, and they have now started releasing funds. Of course, that was about 3 to 4 months back. So let me know what you think about the entire cryptocurrencies market as of now. Do share your thoughts and opinions, and let's be connected, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.